Please check parts list before installing. If any question, feel free to contact us. Step 1. Insert wooden pins into the boards and ensure tight joined. Step 2. Attach the frame number 3 to the board using screw B. Note: screw B is the shorter one. Please use the correct screw to avoid board damage. Step 3. Attach 2 legs to the board using screw A. Note: screw A is the longer one. Step 4. Attach anti-skid pad D. Attach plastic drawer. Attach phone holder. Thanks for choosing Teamix Furniture.